How's it going, guys? I wanted to show you guys today a little something about an exchange that, it's me and some of my friends trade on. This exchange is called BitMEX. If you are familiar with crypto, you've probably heard of BitMEX. And you've probably heard that a lot of people like to short Bitcoin on this exchange. That's true, but that's not the point of this video. I'm trying to prove or show to you guys the profitability involved in this exchange and how much better it is than Binance. There's a Discord link down below. Feel free to check that out too. And I'm actually going to go on that real quick too anyway, because I'd like to show you some of the profits that have been made. And these are all profits that are made in, one day, maybe, less than that. Even sometimes it takes 30 minutes to do this. Let me just show you this real quick and then I'll explain the exchange. So this is just the last few days. So yesterday, a VIP member did 45% on a trade. This was one of my trades yesterday. 27%. I actually closed that at 48%. Let's see, what else do we got here? Here's a Litecoin position on Tuesday, a few days ago. Here was an Ethereum signal that I shared with my members that did 94%. And then I did another trade on ETH that did, you can see down here in this little box. It's probably hard for you guys to see. It's I believe it was 112% though. And this is all done in one day. In a little bit, I'll get to showing you how you trade it and stuff. 172%. These are all done in one day. So Sebastian's one of my buddies that I trade with is over here too. What's up, Sebastian?
What's up?
And we're basically just gonna kind of just trade, chill, show you guys how it's done. This video is live right now, but oh, you want me to send that link to you, Sebastian?
Yeah.
All right, I will. Here, right here. Here's that link for the video. I might let me see 1 second. All right, so basically what this exchange is there is something that long and short. A long position is basically when you believe the price is going to go up. A short position is when you believe the price will go down. So it's like betting in a way. It's the same thing as that. Now we have a leverage slider. That's for Ethereum, and there are 8 altcoins, or there's 8 coins total that you can trade. The profits on this are insane. It's unlike any exchange I've ever traded on, by far. So let's see here. Here's our leverage slider. Now the leverage slider works like this. So let's say you open up a position with 25x leverage. So what that basically means is that if the price goes up 4%, and I'm going to open this calculator up real quickly. So let's say we're at the current price we're at right now, and the price goes up 4%. So let's do the math on this. 25x, 4%, what would that be? 4% would be, how about this? Let's just say the price goes up to 3,800 on Bitcoin. You're 25x long, it's 153%. Keep in mind though, the reason there is leverage is based because you basically get like loaned. Now, I don't want to even say loan because it's not loaned. You never have to pay them back. But you have a liquidation, and that basically means that if the price goes below a specific number, so with 25x, with an entry on XBT, and XBT is actually Bitcoin. So basically, if the price were to go to 34.47, your position will be closed, and that's the exchange's money now. They take your money because they're basically saying, hey, you think the price is going to go up? Well, we're going to bet against it. We're going to counter that and believe it's going to maybe go down. And the reason why they can loan money on this is because there's so many people losing money at the same time, where very few actually profit. The only that, I mean, like, I don't want to say the very few profit, but I think a lot of people do end up losing money on this exchange just out of it's a lot different than general trading. There's a lot of manipulation, I believe, on it, as well as just a lot of tricks to it that I've figured out over time. I've been trading this since around the end of August of 2018, and I don't even trade on Binance anymore. This is far more profitable. But feel free just to join the Discord or something if you want. If you have any questions, just message me, BitMEX, on Discord, and I can just answer any questions. But Sebastian and I are gonna open up a couple trades, so let's figure out the market real quick and let's do that. I'm gonna send this link out to maybe let's see, 1 second. Did you click that link, Sebastian?
Yeah, I did.
Is everything
I
good?
still have to Zoom.
Oh, okay. As long as it's just working fine, it's all good.
Yeah.
So Ethereum right now, let's check this out. Let's see what we're doing. 2 hour looks pretty good on ETH.
I entered a small position in ETH at 119.
Really? Nice. Nice entry. Nice. Good entry. What was your leverage?
Well, it's 25x now.
Nice. I want to check one thing before I place any entry. Okay, it's at 116. Get that open real quick. 4 hour. And you can trade XRP, you can trade Tron, you can trade Litecoin, Ethereum, EOS, Bitcoin Cash, Cardano, and then Bitcoin. And like I said earlier, Bitcoin's labeled XBT. So if you ever do send your Bitcoin to the exchange, it's going to be converted to XBT. But then if you want to like withdraw your profits to a different exchange, maybe to Binance or your whatever wallet you're holding, you can do that too. So XBT is Bitcoin. And it's real simple, man. This is a great exchange overall, and I suggest people do check it out, as it is the most profitable exchange, I believe. I also teach people how to trade this, you know, and but a lot of people do real good on it. So let's see here. The stock looks like it could go down quite a bit still. I don't think we'll see a massive correction though on Ethereum. I would say we're gonna go down to, hold on 1 second. Let me just remove all this stuff. Potentially down to like 118.55 or something. It's hard to say still.
We have some, on the 5 minute, we have some pretty major resist or supports.
Okay.
That's 119.5 mark. Like that's the support area, like zoomed out.
I think it's gonna go right here. It's hard to say. Almost looks like it might. 1 minute.
Like a small pennant, maybe.
Yeah. Exactly. Something actually like that I think fits well. It could maybe land in a 628 box right here, and then I could ride the trend line upward, and then maybe break out up over here, and that would be roughly, give or take, about a day, 24 hours. But it could happen quicker too, or it could just break down. Yeah. Entry at the moment. I'm going to actually share this video, this live stream to the Discord community right now. Oh, shit. Yeah, I think the market cap will go down to like the 115.8. I guess the title to this wasn't the best title because it's not really explaining much, but I think I will get into that. So, yeah, I'm Sebastian. I'm going to explain like how profits work and all that, all right? And feel free just to chime in if you need to or if you want to add anything to what I'm saying. If I miss anything.
Yeah, no, that's fine.
So, basically, let's zoom out a little bit. Let's go to like a 30-minute, or let's just go to like the hourly on the XBT. Let me just like remove all my drawing tools and just restart this whole thing. So entering a position works like this. You're going to want to start. So like starting just right off the bat. Let's go ahead and go over here on the top left-hand corner once you make an account. Click limit. And then you're going to want to, so how quantity works is like this. So I have 1 Bitcoin on this exchange right now. Now, how this works is if I use 100x, which I highly don't recommend this because it's just really risky. It's basically going to allow you to make a massive size position. So, for example, if I open up a position with, let's say, 500,000. Actually, hold on now. Let's do 100,000. 100,000 contracts. So $100,000. But realistically, it's not 100 grand. It's 1/100th of $100,000. So basically 100x is just timesing what you have by 100. So basically, if the price moves up 1%, I'm going to slow down a little bit so I can explain this a little better. Feel free to join the Discord, message me, and we can just go on Zoom or something like that together, which is like a live screen sharing service. And we can, Sebastian, I can just show you how to trade this exchange. So basically 1% move right here. 1% move, something like that. So let's say so right here. Let me just fib this. So if we have like a 61.8 retrace on the 30-minute, which would take us down to the $35.60 level. And let's say we do 1% from $35.60 up. So it's going to look like this. I'm going to use a tool. It's called the price range tool. So $35.60. And what is going on with this mouse? $35.60 up to basically $35.95. Basically 1%. I can go over here, and this is with 100x. This is the profit you would make if it goes up 1%, and it would be 100% profit. $35.60 with 100x leverage. $35.95. with 100x, it's going to be 97% because it's actually not exactly 1%. It's a little bit below. So 97% with 100x. Now, that might sound like, oh, wow, that's awesome. I'm going to do that. I'm going to do 100x long, and you're most likely going to get wrecked because you aren't going to be knowing what you're doing. And the catch to 100x is this. You enter 100x long position at 35.60. Your liquidation. Liquidation means that if the price goes below a specific number, the money that you put in that trade is gone. The exchange takes it. It's theirs because that was the bet you made with them. So 35.60 100x long, your liquidation price is only $17 difference. So you got real tight gap right there. Now, I think I'm going to place a position on Ethereum right now as I see XBT looks like it's going to hold the 64 area. So let me long this position real quick. Let's put in like 0.1. All right, so at 35, oh, missed the entry, son of a bitch. All right, let's see if it swings back down. And Ethereum's a great one to trade too because I feel like the fees are a lot less on ETH, and the price swings are a lot higher, like percentage-wise. It moves a lot faster. I'm gonna add to this again. Try to get in. All right, let's get this order filled. So let me add a position on XBT as well. Do 50,000 contracts at 64 with 50x. All right, so I got 50,000 contracts at 35.65. And my ETH position is probably going to get filled in a second. So I'm 50x long, up to about 35.90s most likely. ETH, my position is probably going to get filled very shortly on that. There's like no sell walls right now, Sebastian. You see that?
On ETH?
Yeah, no, on XBT.
Let me see.
It's like nothing.
Yeah, up until 38.80, right?
Oh shit, hold up. Add a position on ETH. Damn, I can't get a position on ETH. It just is moving a little bit too quick. Sucks. Yeah, nice entry on ETH, man.
Yeah, I got a nice entry at 0.9, 19.9.
Yeah, it looks pretty good.
Yeah, the one thing that I was a little worried about was the 1 hour RSI. It was a bearish crossover. It's like the candle hasn't closed yet, so doesn't say much.
Here we go. Yeah, let's see. ETH looks alright. I like to be able to show everyone who does watch this video just the profit, so. Looks like a little retrace though. We could actually go down to the 60s level.
Yeah, we'll probably stop out at 0.7, 119.7 range.
Okay. Market cap looks alright. That big ass wall just popped up again.
Maybe tell them about this AM feed website.
Yeah, I'll explain that to them, like if people join the Discord, probably, just because that's pretty confusing. And I don't want to give too many secrets away, you know. So we're just gonna try to do the live trade here, and we're just gonna see if we can get a little profit on live real quick. We've been doing though on a pretty much like on a daily basis. I would say it's not hard to do. Let's see. I would say it's very possible to do on a daily basis. At least 40, like 30 to 40%. I mean, some days it's way more. I mean, the other day I'll show you guys that I did I made about 0.7. It was a decent trade. I did 311% on a trade right here. 0.7 Bitcoin. And that trade took like 30 minutes or less to do. You know, it's not going to happen like that all the time. It depends really what you're trading with, but the amounts. But if you can catch the right times, I mean, you can make some serious money. And like I said, that was about $2,500 at the time. And that was probably like a few days ago. It was like 5 days ago. But that was decent money, you know, easy money. $2,500 in like 30 minutes. I don't know what jobs pay that much, you know. Oh wait, I gotta join the video real quick because if anyone's like typing in the chat, I can't see it right now. I gotta go over here. Oh shit. One second, everyone. There goes ETH up a little bit. Here's like a pennant formation, possibly, to play out. Yeah, like the thing I like about this exchange really though is like the fact that it's just so much faster to trade with. Like you can make a lot of money like in no time. I mean, to get up, you know, 5, 10, 15, 20%, like 20% does not take long. It's really just based on your leverage. Depends what type of trader you are. If you're like a conservative trader who will trade over like a longer time frame, then obviously it's gonna take longer to trade. But the way people trade on this exchange is a lot quicker. Swing trades more or less. All right, here we go. Get ready. So the market cap just bounced pretty nicely. It still could be headed down here though, the 115. It looks like there's really not much resistance on the sell walls until 35.80 XBT. I'm not gonna get in Ethereum at the moment. I'm just gonna stay in XBT until I see something that catches my eye that I believe will make us go up. Just don't want to have a bunch of positions, like multiple positions open. So the way we trade this is just pretty quick. So I'm wondering like what's gonna happen with that whole JP Morgan cryptocurrency. I wanted to actually check that out. Oh shoot. Apparently the screen's not, apparently nobody can see the screen. I can see it. Yeah, it looks fine.
See it as well.
Yeah, I can see it just fine. Not sure.
I mean, we might have already had a little breakout of the pennants.
I think we did. Let's look. Let's do
Or
it.
the descending.
Let's all check that out. Yeah, the wall's actually getting smaller right now too on the 65 level. And the cap's moving out, market cap. Let's see here. Yeah, you can just see. I think it's just gonna do this.
It like fake out though.
Yeah.
Like it's a small breakout.
Bear flag down type deal. Yeah. Possible. I mean,
that's why I'm a little skeptical. Taking a little more care now.
Could just do something like this where it just like reverses back up. You know, like that. Because it does actually look like, I mean, I don't even have to draw a line. I can see that it broke out above it, right? About on the candle. This is a 1 hour. I'm going to go to a 4 because I think it looks a lot better. Yeah, right here it did kind of go up a little, but then the bears tried to reject that. Yeah, it did. So it's like a falling wedge break. Yeah, here we go, guys. So everyone's gonna be able to see this go up very nicely. Nice. I'm gonna add to Ethereum now. Never mind, it went up a little bit too quick. Let's do a smaller position. All right, I just longed placed a long position on Ethereum. Yeah, that we're gonna go up definitely because it's definitely gonna break up out market cap. The only problem is there's just no really no money coming into this. That's my only concern right now. I mean, everything else looks real solid, but it just looks like. I mean, the question is really, is there enough money that's gonna make this go up? That's the only thing.
Yeah, the volume's been very, very low today.
Real shitty volume.
I think it was 2 times higher yesterday.
Oh yeah, on BitMEX. Yeah, well, not only that, but the market cap's pretty stagnant. It's just stuck. So the 50,000 contract long position, I placed 50x position. Now that was 0.3. It's about $1,000 position. Up 1.60%. But one thing you always want to keep in mind is there are pretty high fees on this exchange. So what you want to do,
especially with the really high leverage positions.
Exactly. Yeah. So the higher your leverage, the higher the fees. So you can see right here it says release PNL, unreleased. This was what I paid to enter this trade. So I paid about $30 to place a position on XBT for that long position that's right here. Now my unreleased is right here at 0.0045. So you want to obviously double at least what your release PNL is. Obviously do a lot more than that though, and I think we'll be able to do that in this trade. Volume's pretty low again. Yeah, it's really actually went down $10 million in the past little bit. The Asian market might be able to pump this price up though. We'll see.
Wait, what?
What up?
My BitMEX chart is acting up.
Hold on 1 second. I got to answer a personal thing real quick. Be right back. Yeah, I mean, from a technical standpoint, XPT looks pretty good, man. It's staying above that downtrend line. Not bad.
Dude,
let's see if it does anything.
Check your Discord chat. Like the BitMEX charts on XRP says it just crashed to 0.
Wait, what? On
yeah, it's glitched out.
Are you for real? Damn.
Yeah, look in your. I send it to your Discord.
Okay. What?
It's acting up. I don't know why.
Damn.
I don't know how.
Wait, I'm gonna look at it real quick on my charts. It doesn't look like that on mine. Are you on TradingView?
No, I'm on the regular BitMEX.
What in the hell? I've had that happen to me once or twice before, but that's crazy. I was thinking maybe it really did. It'd be great. No, I don't see the same thing. What time frame is that?
I'm on the. It's on the 5.
Okay.
So weird. Yeah, well, gotta start buying here. Can only go up.
All right, hold on. I'll be right back. I gotta make a phone call real quick. I don't want to stop this live stream at the moment. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back.
You.
So let's see. Yeah, we'll do another. I might just end this live stream right now just because there's not a lot of price movement and it might take a while for this to play out. But we'll do another one here in a little bit or tomorrow or something. So all right, guys. Like I said, if you want to know more about this exchange, learn how to do it, there's a Discord link below. Just click that, join the group. We'll see. Like obviously, when people join, we can see. And if you want to like know more about this, just message me directly, and then Sebastian and I will help you out. All right, take it easy.
See you.